Hey guys, Wonderland Brothers here, and we're just doing another update at the park today. It's a beautiful day, so the workers should be working all day today. If you can see, the crane is in storage here. Looks like they loaded up one of the motors and a couple little other things to get started with the lift hill. I do not see the last turn piece in here, so I believe it is in sight on site, which that would conclude the turn. The next piece would be this piece right here, the pre-lift. Following the pre-lift would be that piece, the pre-lift, and then it would be that piece, the lift. Then there would be a couple more lift pieces. Then to finish off, it would be this piece. And I don't see the piece that will be connecting to that piece yet. So yeah, it looks like the lift hill will be starting this week. Possibly not, but not getting my hopes up on that. So most likely next week, from when the park is closed and full-time operation is finished, they will probably start the full lift hill, because this is the last week for Canada's Wonderland to be open full-time. After this week, the park will be only open on weekends from 10 to 8. Following that will be Halloween Haunt, and the park will be open from 10 to 5, and then Halloween on from 7 to 12. Alright guys, we're just going to see them pull out something here and see if the crane actually leaves to go to the site, because the park will be opening in 30 minutes, so they have 30 minutes to get all their equipment in and on site. Alright guys, we'll see you guys in a bit. To the site it goes. We'll see you guys inside. There's the last turn piece to go in, and then pre-lift, guys. Alright guys, so they're getting ready to install the track, it looks like. And it's going over there. Alright guys, so they are now lifting the track into place. Yeah, take a piece of the fence down. So it's now lined up, and they're going to start installing bolts now to secure it into place. Alright guys, so they're just hammering in the bolts, getting it bolted up, ready to go, and then we should see the lift motor going in underground some point today, and maybe some more catwalks put up. Alright guys, keep in touch.